Hey guys, this is Vivi Wagu. If this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. Thank you for always stopping by to watch my videos. I really do appreciate. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel and become a part of the family.
I only miss you when the sun goes down. Oh, your voice is my favorite sound.
I recently posted a video of my channel getting monetized. I was super excited when I made that video. Like, I couldn't wait to make that video. I was so excited. And in that video, I also mentioned that I was going to share tips on how I got monetized, things that I believed helped me to get monetized. So before I start, I'm just going to give you like a background of my channel. I started my channel 2021. That was a channel I started after the one that I had started with my family members the time I wasn't married. So we had a family channel. We got discouraged trying to post videos and getting like few views and all of that. So we got discouraged. Along the line, I got encouraged to start another channel. I gave a little background of that in the previous video, which I'm going to link up somewhere in the cards. So yeah, I got encouraged to start up this channel now in 2021, and I started posting videos and all of that. I was getting a few views, but it was much better than the one before. But then recently I had been like, God, I need to get monetized. I can't stay so many years again without being monetized. So I started looking out for information, things I could do to get monetized. Then I came across one of my subscriptions videos where she said she had posted a short about her wedding, like a short from her wedding video, and she got like 3,000 subscribers just by posting that short. And I was like, whoa, are you serious? And I kind of thought about it. I really like watching shorts, and a lot of people just want to come on YouTube, watch shorts, and leave. They don't have time to spend watching long videos and all of that. And when you see people shorts, you get to see people having views of up to 1 million, 1,000, 100,000 of views and all of that. So I was like, you know what, I haven't been making shorts, but I'm gonna start making shorts. So I started making shorts, and I noticed that my shorts were getting like 1,000 views, 2,000 views, 2 point something views and all that. And I was like, wow, this is actually serious. And from then I was getting subscribers as well. So shorts really help. That's one tip to get yourself involved in. Get yourself involved in making shorts about your channel. Like, you can even post a short of a video that you've already posted. We can see from the videos that we post, YouTube has an option to remix your videos into shorts, so you can do that. I've done that with some of my videos as well, and I got a lot of views on those. So I noticed shorts really help. Another tip I would give is making videos that are interesting. People just want to come back from work or whatever they went to and just sit down and have a good, interesting video to watch on TV or on their phones, their iPads, laptops, and all of that. So they want to watch something interesting. And if you engage yourself in making content that's interesting and eye-catching, then obviously people are going to watch your videos and you have a lot of views and possibly even subscribers. So making content that's interesting. I notice people enjoy watching wedding content, baby content, vlogs that have to do with going out, exploring, doing things, traveling, and all of that. People just love watching such. And I also started making vlogs about my real life stuff. People just like to watch real stuff about people. So when you make vlogs that involve like not telling lies, but just showing your real life. If you love traveling, then vlog your travels. If you like spending time with family, make vlogs based on that, and people would love to engage in your videos. So making interesting content that people love. I love watching wedding videos, so I thought, I just got married and I have a video, why don't I post it? And if you check my channel, you will know that that video, my wedding video, actually has the most number of views in my entire channel. I would put a screenshot of that video somewhere on the screen. I'll put a screenshot of my wedding video and the views that it got somewhere on the screen, and you would see that from that video alone I had like 4.6k watch hours. Now if you just started YouTube and you just posted an interesting video like that and you're getting 4.6k hours, what else are you what else do you need to get monetized? Like, what else? So posting interesting content that people love to engage in, things that could go viral. A lot of people I noticed like post dance videos, like dance shorts on their YouTube. They post videos with their beautiful babies. I know one lady who got monetized by just posting shots of a beautiful baby, dressing her baby up and allowing her baby feed herself and all of that, and she got monetized just off posting that. A lot of other people post shots on challenges, maybe giving out gifts to other people, and people just love watching. People post like stuff about that involves comedies in some way or the other, and people just love to watch it. So posting things that are interesting, eye-catching would get you monetized like even before you know it. So shorts, posting interesting videos, yeah, those are my tips. Another tip is making your thumbnails very catchy. Like, you don't want to make dull thumbnails. You don't want to make thumbnails that like where people seeing your thumbnail be like they're not sure if they want to click or not. You want to make a thumbnail that is eye-catching. You get beautiful pictures of stuff that you did. If you actually posting a vlog, get pictures of the interesting stuff that you did while you were filming the vlog, and just make them, do your thumbnails, like spend time making your thumbnails. Before now I was using the free Canva and it didn't really give me options. There's not a lot of options when you're using the free Canva, but recently I invested in getting the pro Canva. That one gives you a wider range of options. You can do a lot of things with your thumbnails. You can just a whole lot of things with your thumbnails to make them catchy. I was like, I was looking at people's thumbnails and I was like, God, when am I going to get to the point of designing thumbnails this good? But you just don't need to look so far. Only get yourself the pro Canva, just invest in it, and it makes your life easier. So now I'm learning how to make my thumbnails more catchy so that people would want to, like, you know, click on my videos and watch them. Yeah, so making great thumbnails helps, apart from making interesting videos, and apart from posting shorts. You can have a beautiful thumbnail and people just click and watch, and it's just little things that make people get interested in you and want to be a part of your channel. And yeah, before you know it, people will be subscribing, people will be watching, and you'll be having a lot of, you know, views and subscribers that will enable you to get monetized. So that's one, posting shots, two, interesting stuff, and making your thumbnails very catchy and beautiful. Then another one is consistency. Being consistent really goes a long way with giving you success on YouTube. Like posting videos, not taking a lot of time in posting videos. Like you post maybe 2 videos in a week. I know sometimes it's hard. We all have things that we do. Some people have businesses that they are involved in. Some people have other jobs. Some people have babies, and those kind of take their time, and so before they post videos it takes a lot of time and all of that. We do understand that, but if it's possible for you to make our time to be more consistent with posting on YouTube, it will go a long way in giving you success in YouTube. Because I noticed YouTube likes to push videos of people who are consistent. If you're always posting back to back, YouTube is pushing your videos. Before you know it, your impressions will be going higher and higher and higher. Impressions are actually the number of people that YouTube pushes your videos to, like on their screens. Like when people just turn on their YouTube app, they see a bunch of videos. So when YouTube pushes your videos across to so many people's phones or laptops or whatever they're using to watch, those are the impressions. Before now, I was getting impressions like 200 and something, 400 and something. But ever since I got like more serious with my channel, posting videos back to back, I noticed that my impressions have gone even higher. Like I can get my impressions can get up to like 3,000, 2,000, you know. And then if you get that, you notice that more people would have the opportunity to see you and click on your videos and watch your videos, and like that you're getting watch hours, you're getting views, you're getting subscribers. So those are the things I think helped me. Most importantly was my wedding video. Like that's just it. Yeah, but those are the things that you need to keep in mind if you want to have success in YouTube. So number one, I said, was shorts. Number two, I said posting interesting stuff. Number three was making your thumbnail catchy. And number four was being consistent. I know there might be other tips. If I do remember, I would make another video, but if not, these are some of the most important tips that you need to get success on YouTube. Yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, please give the video a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'd really love to have you a part of our family. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.